Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best GoPro car mounts that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the GoPro Car Sun Visor mount. This mount is perfect for anyone who wants a quick, hassle-free way to mount their GoPro while driving. Designed specifically for car enthusiasts, it clips onto your sun visor effortlessly, allowing you to capture stunning road footage or film engaging car vlogs. Its ball head adjustment feature provides true 360-degree rotation, making it easy to capture shots from virtually any angle. The build quality is solid, crafted from eco-friendly resin material that's lightweight yet durable. The anti-slip design ensures the mount stays firmly in place, even during bumpy rides. However, because it's limited to sun visor mounting, it might not be as versatile as other mounts on this list. Overall, the GoPro Car Sun Visor mount is an excellent budget-friendly option for drivers who want convenience and simplicity. If you're primarily filming from inside your car, this mount delivers great value at just $15.99. Pros include its affordability, ease of use, and compact design, while cons are its limited mounting versatility and niche functionality. At number 4, we have the SupTake Suction Cup mount, a versatile and robust option for mounting your GoPro or other action cameras. This mount is designed for use on car windshields and windows, offering a secure hold on clean and smooth surfaces. With 2 adjustable joints that rotate 180 degrees, you can easily customize your shooting angles to capture dynamic and immersive footage. The SupTake mount stands out for its durability and reliability. The suction cup has an 85mm diameter, which provides excellent suction power even in extreme temperatures. Additionally, the inclusion of 4 conversion seats, 2 low-angle and 2 high-angle, offers flexibility for different shooting heights. However, it's recommended for non-impact activities, as intense vibrations or external mounting may compromise its stability. Priced at $16.99, this is a solid mid-range option for those seeking a dependable windshield mount. Pros include its strong suction power, adjustable design, and compatibility with various cameras, while cons are its heavier weight, 7 ounces, and limited use on non-flat surfaces. Taking the 3rd spot is the GoPro Suction Cup mount, the official mount from GoPro itself. If you're looking for a mount that's engineered for high-speed performance, this one's a fantastic choice. Proven to hold steady at speeds of up to 150 miles per hour, it's ideal for mounting on cars, boats, or motorcycles. The industrial-strength suction cup ensures stability, while the adjustable joints provide a broad range of motion for capturing dynamic angles. The build quality is impeccable, as you'd expect from GoPro. It's lightweight, weighing just 2.08 ounces, and features a quick-release base for effortless transitions between shots. The mount's compact design makes it easy to carry, while its black finish blends seamlessly with most setups. However, it's a bit pricier compared to generic mounts, and its compatibility is limited to GoPro cameras. At $28.29, this mount offers exceptional value for GoPro users who need reliability and performance. Pros include its durability, high-speed functionality, and ease of use, while cons are its higher price point and lack of compatibility with non-GoPro cameras. Coming in at number 2 is the SamTap Suction Cup mount, the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $9.99. Don't let the low price fool you. This mount packs a punch in terms of performance and versatility. It's compatible with GoPro cameras and a wide range of action cams, making it a great choice for users with multiple devices. The adjustable arm and quick-release base offer flexibility and convenience, allowing you to switch between angles and locations effortlessly. The design is simple yet effective, with a compact form factor that's easy to install. However, it's best suited for non-impact activities and smooth surfaces like windshields or windows. While it's not recommended for high-impact sports like surfing or snowboarding, it delivers impressive stability for everyday driving shots. For just $9.99, The same top mount is a steal for casual users who need a reliable car mount without breaking the bank. Pros include its unbeatable price, wide compatibility, and compact design, while cons are its limited durability for extreme conditions and basic feature set. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the King Suction Car Mount, a premium, feature-packed option for serious filmmakers. This mount is designed for versatility and professional-level performance. With 5 suction cups providing dual safety, it's one of the most secure mounts on the market. The kit includes a 44.9-inch invisible selfie stick, ideal for panoramic and low-altitude shots without a drone. Its multi-angle adjustment system allows for vertical and tilted shooting, opening up a wide range of creative possibilities. The build quality is top-notch, featuring durable materials and a clamping bracket with a double sleeve arm to reduce wobbling. While it's heavier at 3.28 pounds, the added weight contributes to its stability and durability. At $99.99, the King mount is the ultimate choice for professionals who demand high performance and flexibility. Pros include its robust build, advanced features, and multi-scenario use, while cons are its higher price and bulkier design. If you're serious about capturing cinematic footage, this mount is worth the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.